another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And now we're about to see what's inside. Here we go. And you can take advantage of the Prime Day sales they got going on. Or whatever they're called now. But definitely take a look. And you could see... you might want to purchase one of these. Coming from my good friends over at Redragon. They have amazing stuff for your PC, gaming needs, esports, and all that. Including this Redragon H889 Spectra Pro wireless gaming headset. Virtual 7.1 sound. Drive unit is 53mm. 360 Spatial sound. Headphone monitoring function. Ooh, baby. Super nice. Pro. We got the Pro. I mean, I wish you guys could hear it. It's going to be kind of hard for you guys to hear these, but I'm sure they're good for you guys for gaming and other stuff you could talk to. You know? And definitely check them out, though. Like I said, they got everything for your PC, keyboards, gaming mouse, custom computers now. I do believe they do it. The way how PlayStation and Xbox are raising the prices, it's insane. So this is a good way to go with your PC. That's what I think I'll start doing more now. Going back to the PC. But you can use this on your Xbox, I do believe, and other systems. So definitely check these guys out when you have time. Here we go. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. The way I like it. Of course, you get the Redragon stickers for your laptop. Or wherever you put your stickers. Ready for battle, yo. It is definitely a battle these days in the gaming world. Spectra Pro. We got this. I got some goodies. Ooh. Damn. So yeah, here's the mouthpiece. Plug it in. USBs up the wahoo. I'm not sure if... you probably could use this for the Switch. We got the Velcro strap to strap it in. Yeah. And we got a dongle. I do believe these are called dongles. Just plug it in. You're good to go. Oh. Maybe for your phone. Ooh. Pretty nifty. Boom. So you get everything, all the bells and whistles you need to start your gaming marathons. I have never done one of those. It's too much. I've seen a few people do it. I couldn't do it. Maybe an hour, 2 hours. It all depends, I guess, what game you're playing. But hopefully Grand Theft Auto comes out soon. These would be nice to hear. But I mean, I think the game's already outdated now, isn't it? Look at this. Got super soft for your headset, for your head dome. Oh yeah. Twisty, twisty. Don't twist them like that, but yeah, these are good. Air sweat, no problem. Get rid of it with these. Boom, boom, boom. We got some buttons here. USB there. So yeah, these are definitely super lightweight, guys. Super lightweight. Really cool. So we just plug this thing in here. Where is it? I think this goes... yep. Into the hole. Like so. I could feel like a NASCAR driver. me or a coach playing Madden. I wish they would bring back college basketball though, especially after this season. Go blue. Michigan finally got theirs. Well-deserved season, you know. Then tonight's Michigan Wolverines hockey, Frozen 4. So, oh yeah, these are nice. Let's see, what is this? Oh, here's a 2.4 and Bluetooth. How do I turn it? This must be the power. But so yeah. Oh, Fumblerooski. But yeah, definitely nice, classy. Killer sound. Takes seconds to hook up. Then switch to Bluetooth. I'm gonna use this for my PC. Look at that swivel. So now's the time. Who is calling me at this time? I don't know that number. Another spam caller. But now's the time to buy these. I hope they don't go up in prices, but you never know with how gaming's going. But Redragon's really fair with their prices. So, like I said, check on their keyboards, the gaming mouses, all RGBs. Yeah, definitely really nice company. And good products for affordable price. So you might want to get a couple of these, and you know, I just wish they haven't raised prices up. I couldn't believe it for the PS5 and the Xbox. The Xbox especially, it's been what, 700 almost for the X on Amazon. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm thinking GTA 6 is like already outdated. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, they could do patches and updates and stuff, but still, it's been forever, long overdue, and I'm sure they made it years ago. Maybe that's why they raised the prices on the old systems. We're not going to get a new system maybe until like 2030. Who knows? Hopefully I'm still here. That'd be great, you know? Birthday's coming up in 10 days, so you never know how this world is. Just be safe out there. Hit the like and subscribe. And you guys can check these guys out. Click on the affiliate link down below. And hit the like button if you have time. If not, no biggie. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, it's kind of hard for you guys to hear these. But, I mean, Redragon is an amazing product. So, I mean, they have great stuff for us gamers out here. New gamers, welcome aboard. Old gamers, I don't think we're ever going to retire. So, I don't know. Check them out, though. You'll definitely be happy. See ya.